I feel like we know so little about the sea that it opens up this possibility of dreaming or imagining different worlds or different futures or even histories. The project in which I won Max Mara Art Prize for Women is titled Dead Weight. And dead weight is a nautical term, essentially, which I guess binds everything on the ship to a single unit, which designates whether the ship will sink or float. The title of my project derives from this book titled Dear Science by Catherine McKittrick, a book in which she alludes blackness to being a corrupt algorithm in a set of algorithms. My work is positioned in water, predominantly the sea and its possibilities and impossibilities. I would say one of the main themes within water is aquatic Afrofuturism, which is this idea of imagining a black future under the sea as opposed to outer space, which is the origins of Afrofuturism. This idea of being unable to imagine a new future under the kind of structure that we live in, under this kind of society that we live in. So for me, this future at the moment is impossible. I'd say it's also very focused on this idea of the ship as the beginnings of capitalism, the beginnings of the nation state, and this idea of being contained in this vessel. I like to use these representations of the ship as this container of blackness.
Mi chiamo Giovanna Fiume, ho insegnato all'Università Storia Moderna e Storia del Mediterraneo Moderno per 40 anni, e durante i quali ho studiato molti fenomeni che attengono per l'appunto alla mobilità del Mediterraneo. Negli incontri che abbiamo avuto con Dominique siamo partite dal tema della schiavitù perché era un suo interesse di ricerca e abbiamo cominciato dal guardare le carte geografiche perché per l'appunto gli storici francesi decenni fa ci hanno insegnato che non c'è storia senza geografia. Ho accettato di collaborare con Dominique più per curiosità nel senso che per la prima volta non insegnavo in un contesto universitario o scolastico in generale, ma insegnavo ad un artista.